Come crochet this seahorse with me.
With any type of yarn and any matching hook, make a chain of 14. I'm going to go slow on this pattern because it is a little difficult and tricky at times. So on this one, instead of the second chain from the hook, we're going to single crochet in the third chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to single crochet in 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now that brings us to the end chain. In the end chain, we're going to make 5 single crochets. 1, we just tuck that into the back. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we're going to work across the opposite side, and we're going to single crochet in each of the next 11 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That brings us right back to the end where we began, so I'm going to make a slip stitch in here. Once we're done with the body, we'll chain for 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And we're going to slip stitch in the third chain from the hook. Now we're going to repeat this process 9 times. We're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and slip stitch in the next stitch. That's 1. Chain 2, slip stitch in the next stitch. 2, chain 2, slip stitch in the next stitch. 3, chain 2, slip stitch in the next stitch. 4, chain 2, slip stitch in the next stitch. 5. Want to make sure you're keeping your chain straight. You don't want to twist it. You want to be able to see both loops. So we're going to chain 2 and do number 6. Chain 2, 7, chain 2, 8, chain 2, 9, Now we're going to do something just a little different. We're going to chain 3. We're going to skip a stitch, and we're going to single crochet in this stitch. We'll do that twice. 1, 2, 3, and this is number 2. So we've got the tail all made. Now we're going to slip stitch right in this beginning stitch where we began. Might be a little tight. And we're going to slip stitch in the next 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we've stitched in the 5 single crochets, the first 5 single crochets we made, and now we are going to begin the back fin. So we'll chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we'll double crochet in that same stitch. This next step we'll do twice. We're going to chain 2 and double crochet in the next stitch for 1, chain 2, double crochet in the next stitch for 2. Now we're going to chain 5, 3, 4, 5, and we'll slip stitch in the next stitch. Our back fin is complete. Okay, now we're going to slip stitch right up to the top of the head. Might take you a little more, a little less, depends on how you kept track of your stitches. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Where I want to be is that third chain of the beginning chain 5, and it looks like I'm right there. Here's the last 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3, and we're going to slip it stitch into the next stitch. We're going to do this again. 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch into the next stitch. Now we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and we're going to double crochet in the next stitch. We're going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to single crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll single crochet in this one, and we're going to skip this next chain. We're going to find the tip of the nose, and we're going to make a single crochet in there. That might be a little harder to get your hook in, but keep working at it. Then we're going to half double crochet in the same stitch as where you started that first double crochet. So I'm going to half double crochet, then I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to slip stitch in the next stitch. So now we've got his head and his back fin done. Let's do his belly. We'll slip stitch in the next 3. 1, 2, 3. We'll make a single crochet, a half double crochet, and a double crochet. So now we'll make 3 double crochets in the next stitch. 1, 2, 3. We'll double crochet in the next stitch, half double crochet in the next stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, and we'll slip stitch right back where we began, and we're going to end this off. And there's our little.
If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe.